Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the MNGARISTA keychain retractable holders. This one has a carabiner right here, and this one has the belt clip. So just pick your style. So the inside is a little bit different, but they're very strong and they work really well like this. And then you have the clip on right here, and then you also have the keychain right here. And then this is about the same. It's a little bit smaller right there because it does not have the belt clip right there. So whatever you prefer, but the carabiner is nice and strong. That's definitely going to hook into whatever you need. You can use this for a badge holder too. Very quick and easy to retract. You can put your badge right here, you can put your keys right here, and it's all on one. Very simple. It's always going to stay attached. All of this is metal, metal to metal right there. And this is also metal and metal attached as well to it. So that is very good. You can get this from MNGARISTA right now on Amazon. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.